Good morning, dear children. Let us continue our biology class. Today we are going to revise the lesson Kingdom Classification. Animals are classified on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. Aristotle, a Greek philosopher, made first attempts to classify living beings based on the type of body, mode of reproduction, presence or absence of RBC. Due to his great work in the field of biology, he is regarded as the father of biology. Aristotle is known as the father of biology. Later, in 1758, Linnaeus gave the two-kingdom classification. He classified all living organisms into two major kingdoms, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Plantae includes all plants and Kingdom Animalia includes all animals. Kingdom Plantae means organisms that prepare their own food but are stationary. They cannot move. Kingdom Animalia includes organisms that cannot prepare their own food but they can move around. But this system failed because it is failed to include Euglena and virus in this classification. In 1969, R.H. Whittaker proposed the system of five kingdom classification on the basis of cellular organization, cell structure and mode of nutrition. And this five kingdom classification includes Kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Classification based on five kingdoms, Kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Kingdom Monera. What are the characteristics of Kingdom Monera? They are prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means they do not have a well-defined nucleus or they do not have a true nucleus. Their nuclear material is scattered in the cytoplasm. They are very primitive, so they are known as prokaryotes. They are unicellular. They are made up of only one cell. Some are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they make their own food. Some are heterotrophs, depends on others for their food, and some have cell wall, some do not have cell wall. Examples: blue-green algae and E. coli. E. coli is a bacteria. Blue-green algae and bacteria are examples of Kingdom Monera. And the Kingdom Protista are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means they have a definite nucleus and nuclear membrane. Then unicellular, autotrophic or heterotrophic. Examples are amoeba and paramecium. And Kingdom Fungi are also eukaryotic. They have a definite nucleus, mostly multicellular. Body is made up of many cells. Heterotrophs, depends on others for their food, or saprophytic. Saprophytic means depends on dead organic matter for their food, and their cell wall is made up of a substance called chitin. Examples of Kingdom Fungi are yeast, mushroom, etc. And Kingdom Plantae are also eukaryotic. They have a definite nucleus and nuclear membrane, and they are multicellular. Autotrophs, cell wall is made up of cellulose. They have chlorophyll. They make their own food. Different types of plants are thallophytes and bryophytes. And the Kingdom Animalia are eukaryotic. They also have a well-defined nucleus. They are multicellular and they are heterotrophs. They cannot make their own food. They depend on others for their food, and in them the cell wall is absent. Animals have no cell wall. And based on the presence or absence of backbone, there are two types of animals. Kingdom Animalia is divided into two categories. They are vertebrates and invertebrates. Here you can see the backbone or vertebral column. Those who have a backbone or vertebral column are called vertebrates. And those who do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. And here is a table 3.1 of your textbook. All have to study this table from your textbook, page number 36. Characteristics of five kingdoms. If you study this table you can write the characteristics of each kingdom, and you can also differentiate different kingdoms. So study all the features or characteristics of each kingdom from this table and study 2 examples for each kingdom. 5 kingdoms: Kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Study the characteristics or features from this table and study 2 examples for each. Then you also want to study the structure of bacteria. You already wrote it in your notebook. Bacteria, Kingdom Monera includes bacteria and blue green algae. Here the structure of bacteria is given. They have a capsule around the cell membrane and they do not have a proper nucleus. Nuclear material is scattered within the cytoplasm and it is known as nucleoid. And their cell wall is made up of chitin. And bacterial cell ribosomes are also scattered throughout the cytoplasm. And most of the bacteria cannot move, but some move with the help of flagella. Here you can see the flagella. Study the structure of bacteria. There are 4 types of bacteria based on the shape: Koki, Bacilli, Spirilla and Vibrio. Koki are spherical in shape, Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria, Spirilla are spirally coiled structures, and Vibrios are short, curved or comma-shaped bacteria. Then also study useful bacteria. What are the uses of bacteria? They are used in manufacture of curd, cheese and vinegar, retting of fibers, tanning of leather, and used to make antibiotics. Then scavenging. Some saprophytic bacteria are the nature scavengers. They helps to decompose organic dead matter into simple substances, and some are used to make biogas, and they are also used in nitrogen fixation, sewage disposal, cellulose digestion and curing of tea and coffee. Study uses of bacteria. And harmful bacteria. What are the diseases caused by this harmful bacteria? Tuberculosis, diphtheria, tetanus, cholera and typhoid are different diseases caused by harmful bacteria. Then Kingdom Protista examples are amoeba, paramecium and euglena. The structure of amoeba also we studied. Amoeba, the locomotory organ of amoeba is pseudopodia. They are finger-like projections, and this pseudopodia is also used for nutrition and locomotion. Also study nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba uses its pseudopodia to obtain food. Here you can see pseudopodia. When amoeba locates a food particle, its pseudopodia surround and traps the food particle like this, and along with some water, and forms a food vacuole. Here you can see the food vacuole, and the food inside the food vacuole is broken down by the action of enzymes and energy is released. And locomotion in amoeba is called amoeboid locomotion. For the locomotion also amoeba uses this pseudopodia. And study reproduction in amoeba. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission and multiple fission. Describe binary fission in amoeba. You all have to study binary fission in amoeba. In binary fission, amoeba grows to its maximum size. Matured amoeba is given here, and the nucleus elongates and divides into 2 parts. First the nucleus elongates and it divides into 2 parts. Then the cytoplasm divides into 2 parts. Here you can see cytoplasm divides into 2 parts. Each half of the cytoplasm has a nucleus, and this each part has a nucleus, and this type of reproduction is called binary fission. Here you can see 2 daughter amoebas. Study binary fission and multiple fission. Then write a note on useful and harmful fungi. You already wrote it in your notebook. Study useful fungi and harmful fungi.